everybody, and welcome back to my channel. You guys read the title correctly. They are getting rid of Savings Catcher at Walmart. Now, I've made multiple videos on how to use Savings Catcher, and I've had a lot of people complain. I think it was back, was it November or something? I can't remember the exact date, but Savings Catcher through Walmart everybody loved. All you do was buy your item and scan your receipt. Well, they slowly got rid of that, and a lot of people hated it. I have seen multiple comments on how many people hate that, and I think it was a stupid move, but they believed that their prices were cheaper, and there was a way around it. What they wanted you to do is link your credit card to Walmart Pay or Savings Catcher and have it through that, and then you guys would get an e-receipt instead of a physical receipt. So they were trying to have it that way, but there was a way around it, and what I ended up doing is I ended up scanning the code while I was at the registers, pretending I was paying with Walmart Pay, even though I had no money in it. I still scan it, so then after I made my purchase, I would still get a physical receipt, and I would get an e-receipt that I could submit to Savings Catcher. So I've been doing that for the last couple months now. Well, today I got an email that says that they're discontinuing Savings Catcher. So I'm going to read the email to you guys. So it says, Savings Catcher, important news. Most of you guys should have gotten this email. But it says, important changes coming to Savings Catcher. Dear customer, here at Walmart, we've always been committed to providing you with low prices every day, so you and your family can save money and live better. Savings Catcher, which compares nationally advertised prices through submitted receipts, which was designed to catch occasions when a competitor's price on a particular item was found to be lower than what you paid for it at Walmart. What we've learned through Savings Catcher is our efforts to low prices up front on thousands of items across our stores is working. Walmart's prices win most often when you submit your receipts, which tells us that the program's intent has been met. That is why we have decided to discontinue the Savings Catcher receipt submission effective May 14th, 2019. After May 14th, you will no longer be able to submit your Walmart Pay e-receipts to Savings Catcher. But then it says in bold letters, but don't worry, the money you have on your Savings Catcher e-gift card will remain yours to spend until you're ready to use it. We want to thank you for your loyalty and your participation in the program. We'll continue to work hard to offer your features and services that deliver on our promise to save you time and money, whether you're shopping in our stores or online at walmart.com. So it looks like they're getting rid of Savings Catcher if I'm reading that. But the thing is, they still don't say that they're going to price match. Now, they got rid of the price matching thing like a year ago, which I think was stupid because I still see a lot of places that are cheaper than Walmart. And I avoid going to Walmart because they don't price match. Well, they say they price match through Savings Catcher, but and it all depends on what area you guys live in. Some people said they've gotten hundreds of dollars back from Savings Catcher. Some people have said they've got nothing. I used to hardly get anything. If you guys go to your Savings Catcher app on the Walmart, there's even a thing on here that says Savings Catcher will be discontinued on May 14th. The last day to submit a receipt to Savings Catcher will be May 14th, 2019. So for me, I've only gotten $40.36 since they've had Savings Catcher, and they've probably had this, like 2 years, maybe a little bit less, but I've only gotten $40.36, and the most I've ever gotten, literally, is this month. Like, it's March, you guys, it's the middle of March, and I feel like I hate Savings Catcher, and I know a lot of you guys do, because, you know, you have to submit it, you have to make sure you scan it. But I really wish they would price match. So, like, my haul that I did on Monday, I ended up getting $2.10 back. My haul that I did the Monday previously before that, I got $5.03 back. The Monday previously before that, I got $3.36, again, $1.33, and then I went weeks without getting anything, or 10 cents here, 10 cents there. So it all depends on where you guys live, but I do not feel that Walmart is always the cheapest place to buy stuff, and that's one thing I hate. So now if there is So now since they are getting rid of Savings Catcher, they're not going to be doing any price matches. I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of complaints, and there'll probably be another video like this. You know, I mean, I don't know. And they do tell you on the app what they did price match. So like here I bought a box of cereal. I got $1.14 back for buying a box of Honey Nut Cheerios, and I got 48 cents back times 2 that I bought at, or that I got at for Trick. So they did price match Target. But I feel like with getting rid of this, there's going to be even more people complaining. So if you guys don't like Savings Catcher, you got your wish. They're getting rid of it. But I really think it's stupid that they're not price matching. And the reason is because they have it I mean, it's hard to price match everything unless they're constantly out price matching stores, which they don't. They just look at the store's ads and price match from there. But I don't know. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. This isn't like a bashing video. I still do my Walmart hauls. I still want to share with you guys on that. But I did want to give you guys some good news and some slightly bad news. But yeah, Savings Catcher will be going away in about 2 months. By the time you guys, but when you guys watch this video, or if you guys are watching this later on, May 14th, 2019 is the last day you can submit your receipts to Savings Catcher. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how they do the price matching things. We'll just see how it goes. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. I'm here to help you guys and to make your shopping a whole lot better. And again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.